The judiciary is not also helping matters. The judiciary is supposed to be the checkmate. But in this context, they are not also following the law. They don't obey the constitution also. They just do whatever they like, and they are compromised. It's open compromise. It's not only in this political matter, even in other several matters, you can see the judiciary being compromised. We need cleansing. We need to cleanse the judiciary, there's need to cleanse the executive, there's need to cleanse the purge the National Assembly for this country to move forward. The Constitution is very clear about corruption, that we should eradicate corruption. That should be section 102, that we must eradicate corruption. So if we will eradicate corruption, then the executive must take steps. And the leadership of the judiciary must also take steps to comply with the Constitution, where the Constitution says we must ensure that corruption is eradicated in the system. And if we don't do that, then we will tilt towards a dictatorship, a one-party state, a dictatorship that can decide or do whatever they like, contrary to the Constitution. And when that happens, you will expect anarchy. You will expect social disorder. These are the things we must guide against. You see, Nigeria should learn a lesson. We must look at the political history of Nigeria to know how we metamorphosed to where we are, and prevent those things that made those early democracy to fail. We must also learn from Ghana how corrupt officials were killed by mutiny, by government to say these people are corrupt, so kill them. And Nigeria, we also witnessed how many years Nigerian politicians are imprisoned in Nigeria. Some 100 years, some 200 years. And most of them died in the process. We are not learning. Politicians are not learning. Politicians are not learning. Because if we are learning from the judiciary to the legislature to the executive, we must seem to be fair and just. But what we are doing is purely illegality. And Nigerians are watching. We are not happy. Today you are in government. Government is assisted. It will not last forever. Except this government want to make themselves life government, life president. Except Tinubu wants to make himself life president, and the National Assembly accepts to be life president. Otherwise, it's 8 years. Another government will come. And that government may have the right to probe you, to know how you have managed the country. So they should learn. They should learn from this and see how best we can salvage Nigeria. Particularly Rivers State, we are begging Mr. President to retrace his step, to know that he has made mistake, to know he has violated the Constitution, and see that the needful is done. We want peace, and for us to get peace, both parties must work together to get peace. Not one party castigating the other party because the other party is silent. They are silent does not mean they are weak. They want peace. They want to see that we get peace without any rancor. So every party must work towards peace and not to be issuing statements that are aggravating.